I'm going to share with you 3 really good reasons why we could be the perfect partner for you if you need to strengthen your executive leadership team with professionals who offer deep domain expertise from the digital procurement and supply chain marketplace. Number 1, we recruit for so many roles that report into VPs, SVPs and other functional leaders of go-to-market functions like sales, pre-sales, alliances, product, customer success, marketing, etc. in both Europe and North America. We recruit for all those sorts of leaders, which gives us the opportunity to build strong relationships with those people, and we know that market intimately. We've also got lots of background knowledge on the people's strengths and weaknesses, their personal capabilities and characteristics, and all the knowledge that gives us the inside track which can help you make really strong hires into key roles in your ELT. Number 2, those relationships we build with those VPs and SVPs are vital, and here's why. We may be recruiting into their team, but at some point many of them turn around and say to me, Andrew, really appreciate what you've done for me with all the hiring, but now it's my time to move. Can you help me find a new role? And because that trust, because that relationship, because that knowledge, I'm able to represent these people, whether they're actively on the job market or just passively keeping a close eye on things. But I know who's looking, who's not looking, and that can give you access to some great people very, very quickly. And finally, this builds on the first 2 points. Because we're so dedicated to digital procurement supply chain, because we're such a visible presence at all the big events on both sides of the Atlantic, people know us, they trust us, and we've got all that background knowledge. So for example, if I don't already know the person you need to hire from an existing network, I know where to find them. I know which companies are doing well and their people are committed to staying. I know which companies are less happy shipped, where people are open to my approaches. And so that knowledge, that expertise, that ability to get to the best people very, very quickly is worth its weight in gold to our customers. And if you need to really strengthen your ELT, then we are the perfect partner to bring some great people into your process. I hope you found that useful. Please remember it, now might not be the right time, but when it is, you need to get in touch with me. You can get me via andrew@everyday.com, or I'm sure you'll find me on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.